Just signed all the paperwork for the BRZ. It is officially ours, boys.
Sheesh.
It's official. We have the new BRZ. To my knowledge, this is the first bagged Gen 2 BRZ in North America. Oh! What's going on, guys? So today is a big day because today we are bagging the new BRZ. We just picked this thing up yesterday, less than 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
It has been less than 24 hours since we got this car. Still got the temp tags on it. And let's look at how many miles there's on this thing, dude. There are, let's see, there is only 112 miles on this car. 112 miles on the car, and we're already tearing it apart and bagging it. Today we are gonna be officially installing air suspension on this thing, and hopefully it's a one-day process.
Hopefully.
We're trying to get this whole thing done in one day. We have, I think today it might be a little bit quicker because last time we did this, I had to like make an entire video. I was showing everybody exactly what to do. So that kind of takes some time. But today, fingers crossed, we can get this entire thing on the ground, aired out today, because this thing on the ground is going to look sick. So let's show you guys what we have in store. So we have the Airlift 3P setup. You guys already know I absolutely love Airlift 3P. It's the only way to go, and this is actually out of the STI. These compressors, this management, everything is straight up out of the STI. I kept it, but for the air struts, we're going a little bit different. So last time with the STI, we went with AirTech. On the old BRZ, I went with Airlift. This time, I decided to kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit and go with PSI suspension. It's a new air suspension company that I haven't heard anything about. I'm excited to give them a try. I'm not gonna lie, one of the main reasons why I got these is just because of the way they look. Airlift looks cool, but like the black and red thing is eh. Look at how good these things look. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
You ready for this? Look at
Let's
this.
see it.
Wait, look at that real quick.
Whoa.
PSI.
Oh, wait, let me focus.
You see that?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, I can't pull it up. Look at that, dude.
That is so pretty.
It looks good. Like, this looks a lot better. All right, I love Airlift, but this looks a lot better than Airlift struts. Like, we got a slim bellow bag, so that way we can fit some meaty boys and have some camber. And then just the black and gold setup is just so classic, and you gotta love it.
Right?
It looks so good, and this thing's gotta change. We gotta bring this all the way up to here because we're slimming this thing today. We're installing PSI Struts today, and I am excited. I don't know how these things ride. I have no clue. I don't know a single person on PSI suspension, but hopefully they're good. And if they're good, I'll let you guys know. On the black car,
that's a move.
Yeah, so I want to make this statement. I don't know 100% if it's accurate or not, but to my knowledge, this is the first bagged Gen 2 BRZ in North America. It's a very big day today. We're making history. We're bagging this thing. First Gen 2 BRZ in North America that is going to be on bags, and it should be a good day. Look who decided to show up.
Got a new car.
You got a new car? You're a dad now, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the new BRZ, dude? I'm trying to convince Jay to get one so bad, dude. Just go back to your roots, dude.
Oh, no.
We both started with an 86.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
need to go back. I wish you could, like, I mean, you could sit in it right now. I wish you could, like, drive it.
No, I'll drive it later.
It'll be back, dude. The fronts
Hey,
are
we
in.
haven't started still?
Fronts are in. I'm doing the roots right now. Bro, it'll be in real quick, but what do you think about it? First impressions.
I like the black.
You like
but
it?
I know you're not going to keep it long.
Yeah, I won't. Dude, look inside, dude. I'm telling you, like, inside and feel the door and everything.
Bro,
dude.
you got an automatic?
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Never that. Come on, dude. Yo, guys, convince Jay to get one. I want Jay to get one so bad. You belong in one, dude. We have the fronts already in, so we're just working on the rears right now, and then just gotta throw in all the wiring. I mean,
Where's the wheels?
The wheels? Wheels are right there, but those aren't going on today. So this is the trunk underneath of the trunk mat, and I want to try to keep this styrofoam just because it adds rigidity to the trunk. We just gotta figure out exactly how we're gonna mount it, though.
In here.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, see?
So one compressor could fit right there.
That's not bad.
Yo, that's...
Yeah.
They wanted us to bag this car from factory. They were like, yo, let's just make it easier. This is fire, what?
I don't know how this is gonna work with all the lines and stuff though.
No, we'll figure it out. We just cut it from the bottom.
Yeah.
But look how nice this fits.
It does, it's a nice fit.
like
Let me get on the side.
Bro, do you see this? It's literally like,
Bro, the shoe
it
fits.
makes it, they made it perfect. And we can keep the whole trunk liner, put anything we want. Look at that little door. That's beautiful.
And then see what I'm saying is like right here, you just come across.
Just loop it out, yeah.
That way it comes out.
Yo, did I
That
really need
is
the
so
spare
fire,
tire?
dude. That is so, I love it. I love it. This is great.
OEM Plus.
Huh?
OEM Plus.
Yeah, OEM Plus. I feel like OEM Plus is like the best way to go. It always
Yo,
looks super
they
clean.
wanted you to bag your car.
They did. And I'm doing it, so thank you. You're welcome, Subaru. Subaru, I'll take the check in the mail, Subaru. Little update, we got all 4 struts in and they are looking so freaking good, dude. The PSI struts look amazing. I hope they perform just as good as they look, but we got the fronts in, we got the rears in. Now it's time to wire everything. Amanda's setting out the harness, so it's nice and simple for us. Time to take the entire interior apart, and I'm a little nervous because we've never took this interior apart before. I'm pretty sure nobody has, right? I don't want to break clips. I just got this car. So I guess even if I do pop some clips or something like that, it's not going to be the biggest thing in the world because like, I'm not even used to this car being nice. If we break some clips, it is what it is, but now it's time to do the wiring, run the hoses. We're getting closer and closer to finally airing this thing out. I am so freaking excited, dude. Just looking at it like this looks so damn good. So it's been a little bit and we got some work done. Now, I didn't want to just do another install video for you guys because you guys have gotten plenty of just airlift install tutorials and everything like that in the past. This one we kind of wanted to just put together. Here is the official trunk setup. It's almost fully completed, but we have the compressors sitting inside of the styrofoam that comes from factory. We have the airlift manifold right over here. All the hoses are already connected. If you can look real closely. All the wiring is pretty much done. We already ran all the wires throughout the car. The interior is all back together. Jay is just wiring up everything. Here, let's actually bring it over. Let's bring the camera there. Jay is finishing up wiring it to the battery. We also have to do the fuse cap. The fuse cap is the last thing left. You already wired everything to the battery, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh no, well, I haven't plugged it in yet. But...
Oh, okay, but it's about to be. Yeah. All right, sweet. So it's almost time to turn this thing on. I'll go ahead and just do the fuse tap. We'll tap into the wiper fuse just like we always do. We're almost done. The car is almost ready to be put back on the ground. I'm super excited. Jay, how you feeling?
I want to see this shit already.
Dude, Jay has been working his ass off today, dude. You put in work. You need a raise. You get paid. We got the tank in the back just like we always do. It's just nice, clean, and simple. We're not going over the top with like a hardwood floor trunk setup or anything like that. But underneath, everything is super nice and organized. And we kept everything that they provided us in the car with the trunk. This car didn't even come with a spare tire, so we didn't feel too guilty not having a spare tire in here. But everything is looking so freaking good. Like I said, interior is all back together. You guys can see that right there. And it's almost time to drop this thing down. Okay. Oh wait, do you hear something?
I hear a leak.
Yeah.
It's right here, it's right here. I feel it.
What?
I feel it.
What?
The rear,
Leaking, right?
yeah. Tap number
It's like tucking already.
Huh?
It's like tucking already. There's 112 miles in here, and this thing is already bagged, guys. 112 miles on the dash.
Somebody had to do it. It had to be me.
Everything. Zeros all around, baby.
Dude, let's go. All right.
If you ain't
Hell yeah, bro. Okay.
Is it valid?
Alright, I'm going around. What do you think?
Alright, you need some spacers, first of all. You need some spacers. You gotta clear this a little. But other than that, this thing is fine.
What's your
Yo,
thoughts?
don't get lower.
That
We
shit
gotta bang the
fire.
frame a little bit.
Call me in, I got you.
We got
Bring my rubber mallets.
Alright, let me give you guys a walk around. This is the front.
Front camber? You need front camber? I got you.
Yo, the back.
Bring the Dremel.
The back of this car slammed looks sick. I'm in love. I gotta get me one of these.
So there is a huge debate going on right now in the car community, and it is whether you're team static or your team bagged. Now, obviously, you guys already know what I like better, but I want to know what you guys would do. If you had this 2022 Subaru BRZ, what would you do? Would you go static or would you go bagged? Leave it down in the comments. All my bag kings, you guys have to back me up over here, but whether you're team static or team bag, you gotta admit, this thing looks freaking fire on bags. We just finished installing this. It's actually been like, what, three days?
I think 3 days.
Yeah, so it's been about like 3 days since we finished the install on this thing. Now, to my knowledge, this is the first bagged Generation 2 BRZ in the country. I know out in Japan, they already have a few of them bagged, but in the United States, this is the first bagged Gen 2 BRZ, which is huge. I'm super happy that we jumped on it right away. We got the ball rolling as soon as we got the car. Less than 24 hours after we got the car, we threw this thing on air suspension, and I think that's just so awesome. Right now, the fitment isn't dialed in or anything. We just kind of threw the struts in and left it how it is. Now we are gonna be messing with the fitment a little bit. Now some of you guys might remember that we already have wheels for this thing, and the wheels are right over here. Now I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels. Whoever saw it in the other video saw it. Whoever didn't, you guys are just gonna have to wait for it. I think I kind of glossed over the trunk setup before, but it's super simple. Just the tank, nothing else. Underneath the carpet right over here, we went super simple. Since this car didn't come with a spare tire, we just put the air compressors and the air management system right where the spare tire goes. We tried to keep everything as neat as possible, so that way, if we ever break down or anything happens, it's really easy to service it. So not only did we act super fast and get this thing bagged right away, but we also got this whole thing bagged in about 12 hours. Only 12 hours to install all the air suspension, all the lines, and wire everything, and everything's good to go now. I could not have installed this thing in 12 hours by myself, so huge thank you to everybody that came out. Huge thank you to Jay. That man was slaving and just helping me out like crazy. I love you, bro. Thank you to James, two more, Victor, and Amanda. Just everybody helped out, and I couldn't have done it without everybody's help, so thank you. But yeah, dude, this thing is bagged. I'm really excited for what else we have going on, and I hope you guys are excited too. Thank you guys so much for all the love I've been receiving on Instagram and in the comments. You guys are literally the best, and I'm happy that you guys are enjoying the process. This is where we are gonna end off today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for being a part of the process of the new BRZ build. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.